No pain, no gain. A mantra that drives us, but when does it become harmful? Pushing through the burn of a workout can lead to soreness, but is it always safe? Dr. Corbin Hedt, a physical therapist, emphasizes the importance of listening to your body. Muscle soreness is normal and a sign of getting stronger, but it can be uncomfortable. Delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS, can last up to 3 days after a workout. Should you work out when sore? It depends on whether it affects your movement and safety. Ignoring pain can turn minor discomfort into a serious injury. One key to prevent overuse injuries is by cross-training. You can cross-train by varying your exercise routine. True pain signaling in injury should never be ignored. It can limit your range of motion and daily activities. It is most important to listen to your body and consult a professional to avoid turning small issues into chronic problems.